Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Sign in and create a Replit. Choose the HTML/CSS/JS template if you want static pages or Node for dynamic apps. Once done, name your REPL and set visibility so collaborators know whether it's public. Make sure to enable version history and add a license if needed. This gets you immediately into the editor with a live server ready. Doing these steps first prevents configuration friction later and lets you code right away. Now you build and configure, create index, HTML style, CSS and script, JS, and keep assets in a folder for clarity. Use the shell to install dependencies with npm or pip so your app has the libraries it needs. Once dependencies are installed, edit package, JSON and the Replit file to set the exact run command and port. This ensures Replit's runner launches the right server. Make sure to test locally in the built-in browser tab so you see real-time updates, and finish by deploying and verifying your site. Use Replit's web view for quick checks, then press deploy to publish. If you use a custom domain, configure DNS and ensure the correct port and HTTPS settings. If something goes wrong, check logs first, confirm port numbers, and verify environment variables and secrets. Misconfigured run commands or missing API keys are common culprits. Once stable, commit changes, invite collaborators, and use secrets for sensitive values to keep the project secure and reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.